Hello everyone, and thank you for attending this call today. My name is Khalid Ansari. Today we will be talking about remote working. Today we'll be talking about the desktop as a service in remote working environment. We'll be talking about the technology and the evolution of it. Remote working has been around for some time now, especially being implemented for companies and enterprises where they have requirement for branching to be connected to the company infrastructure and systems. Conventionally, those technologies are expensive, difficult, and less secure uh, into implementation. Now, with the evolution of technology, most of those has been more affordable and, of course, much more secure, but still the market lacks the proper implementation of a proper remote working technologies environment. Studies shows that by 2025, 70% of workforce will be remote, which emphasize on the idea that different businesses from small, medium, and large enterprises need to start adapting to a proper remote work environment technologies. My name is Khalid Ansari, and a little bit about me. I'm a GM and founder of ATS in Kuwait. I'm an entrepreneur from Kuwait, and we've been working since 2009. We see ourselves as an innovator, especially being one of the first implementers and adopters of cloud technologies in Kuwait. In post-COVID-19 era, uh, the world has seen a major disruption into the work environment to a point of different businesses went to a complete standstill and stop. The work disruption has been major. Different businesses has been affected. Uh, Different companies have been trying to adapt to the situation, mostly trying to find quick solutions and batching. I mean, example of this would be online meetings, moving systems to an online presence, and so on. Unfortunately, most of those implementations has been to a big part as a quick patching without properly solving the issue permanently, which again pose a serious issue in case another major disruption happens that can affect the business. Proper concept of remote working should simply a proper concept of remote work should simply keep the business for any company or any business going in an efficient manner. So we believe that some of the values that should be existing in any proper remote work solution should be, as mentioned, convenience of any location where a staff can work from anywhere. Cost effectiveness is crucial, where the money value should show really visibility. The utilization of any available tools for the staff and the company itself maintain the highest possible productivity. Otherwise, business will keep affected. And on top of all that, the data should be kept secured as best as possible. The concept of desktop as a service as a technology has been around for some time. And the main idea is to be able to avail the desktop environment that the employee use into any methods or means anywhere in the world. The technology has been built for some time around the virtual desktop infrastructure, which is to a certain extent has been also a little bit expensive and not easily affordable by any business side. The desktop as a service is a concept where the VDI is easily accessible for any different or for any business, starting from a small, medium, or large enterprise, capitalizing on the main values of VDI of the work productivity, the security, and availability controllability. The desktop as a service has been an evolving technology, and we see a big trend into to adoption of this technology being done by major IT vendors around the world. ATS has been successful into proper implementation of those technologies. Starting since 2008 with the Kuwait National Fund and being an entrepreneur company, we've been successful to avail those technologies with some unique values. Those unique values was based on the ability that we could build our own cloud in Kuwait, um, and being able to provide this technology in a very inexpensive manner. Uh, Also, some of the values that we've been able to successfully implement to businesses, which is the easy maintenance, and of course, we utilize our professional team where we will provide a full management of those solutions. This was all possible through, as we mentioned, our own implementation of those practices here through our ARM, which is Verganet, which is the cloud provider based here in Kuwait. Verganet being the managed services and cloud provider in Kuwait, we have been able to provide some of unique values. We started that in 2009. We've been doing actually the practice before even COVID-19. We've been continuously studying the solution and building on that. Verganet consists of some technologies that hasn't been done before in Kuwait or even in the region. We see the desktop as a service as, of course, one of the main solutions that we or the market needs as of now to maintain a really high value for their own businesses. We would highly encourage different businesses to try and ask for a demo for those technologies. We believe that different businesses have different needs, and they really need to try what's available to feel the value that they might be able to utilize and capitalize for their own businesses. We would like to hear from all of you soon. This is our contact information. You can get in touch with us anytime. Also, we would be happy if you can visit us on our booth. We thank you for attending this call today, and we're really glad that you give us the time to explain about the technology and what we have. Thank you.